One of my socks decided to go on an adventure without its partner. Now, every time I open the dryer, I find a single rogue sock, mocking me for its rebellious nature. I visited the aquarium and witnessed something extraordinary. A fish sneezed so loudly that all the other fish got startled and started swimming in the wrong direction. It was the funniest underwater chaos I've ever seen. My friend discovered that he had a ticklish feather hanging from his ceiling. Every time someone walked by, it tickled their nose and made them sneeze. It became the funniest challenge to try and avoid it.